Petmin is a smaller multi-commodity mining company with a metallurgical coal mine in South Africa and exploration projects in Canada, Liberia and Turkey. The company has a market cap of 1.4 billion rand, a price to earnings ratio of 14.7 and a dividend yield of 1.8%. You've previously got into trouble on this one, haven't you? With Ian Cockrell.
I think 2 shows ago we said that the quartzite mining operation was the major asset. But that's not the case.
Did Ian Cockrell phone you personally?
No, the PR guy called me. But that's okay. I don't mind. In any event, what's important to note is that they sold the quartz asset, Sam Quartz, and they received payment in part or in full for that asset, quite a sizable sum, in fact, 280 million rand. The core production asset currently is a metallurgical, which means anthracitic coal mine called Somkhele, which is down in the KwaZulu-Natal, Mpumalanga area, down there. And they
I see, since the call from the PR person, you've done your homework, you know this business intimately now.
But, I mean, the other interesting thing about it is Ian Cockrell, executive chairman. Remember, he was at Anglo Gold, Anglo Gold, then Goldfields, then he headed up Anglo Coal. And when Cynthia Carroll was cutting heads off, his was one that rolled. He then moved to Petmin, which was quite interesting because a guy of that stature in the industry to go to a smaller player was seen in quite a high and positive light. I think where Ian and the management team are trying to take this thing is more global though, because they've got this iron ore deposit which is in Labrador in Canada, which they're quite excited about. They reckon it's an iron sands project that they can do to generate pig iron.
Levan, you'll like that strategy to diversify out of South Africa.
Certainly for a number of reasons, and you've seen some of the local miners already feel the burn of just having too much of South African exposure. I used the Goldfields example, splitting into Sibanye Gold. Investors very pleased with that. Certainly the diversified income, certainly a mix of currency, but also you've got...
Hot or not on Petmin?
Not.
Hot or not?
Well, here's the problem. The scale is an issue. At Somkhele, they lost 42 days in the last results because of labor action, and it rained a lot.
Hot or not?
Results were not good. So I'd like to say I like the global story.
Or not, Paul?
But, and for another 6 months, still not hot. Too bad.
Gentlemen, I'm not being rude. We're running out of time. Time now for the trade of the day.